Bitcoin. Dude, you got to tell us about this. You got to tell us about this margin call. Shoot, party finance. Okay, I'll read it out loud so everyone can talk about this. So I got a margin call on my Bitcoin backed loan on BlockFi. Luckily, Bitcoin went back up in 72 hours. Can you give us more information about this margin call? Because I'm really interested. Because I also have a loan with BlockFi, but they haven't hit me up for a margin call yet. You haven't taken a loan, right? Party finance? You haven't done a loan on Block.
Not on crypto.
Okay. Yeah, I've done a loan. I have done a loan on BlockFi. So if Bitcoin dropped below 33,000, I would get a margin call. If it's still below 33,000 after 72 hours. Okay, that's not that bad. How much cash would they want you to put in, or do you have to put in more Bitcoin? Do I do options? No. You got to hit up Party Finance. Do you do options?
Not that much. Like, I do like 20 trades a month, like 20 option trades a month. It's not that many.
Wow, dude, this is actually scary. To add more Bitcoin collateral or pay back a part of the loan, if it dropped more than 29,000, it would be liquidated. So be very careful on these Bitcoin loans, and that's why he did 50. They basically discourage you put in cash and say transfer more Bitcoin. So that's why I did the lowest interest rate loan on my Bitcoin. If you put down, what is it? Like you have to put down $50,000 to get a $10,000 loan. That way you're safe from a margin call. It's like a lot less likely. But I believe LOL did. Yeah, they wanted 0.2 more. LOL did a 50% loan. So for him to get 10 grand, he put down 20,000 of Bitcoin. And that's why, once again, if you're going to do it, man, it's not worth it because they charge you a higher interest rate. And dude, a margin call would stink because obviously, what's Bitcoin's price right now? Can you imagine they sell your Bitcoin at 29,000? What is it right now?
36.7.
Oh, you'd be crying, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, guys, so if you guys don't mind, come on my YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube, you just put in Sina Dean. And if you put Sina Dean Bitcoin, I'm pretty sure my YouTube channel will come up. Just come into my live stream. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a what's up on the live stream too in YouTube. So I know you came here. But yeah, just help me. Oops. I just dropped it. Yeah, just help me. So in case if I ever get shadow banned, I have another way to go live. And then that way, if you're one of my OG followers, there's a way for us to still connect. Especially like usually when you get banned on TikTok Live, it's just for a day or two. Was very frustrating. Last time I take see, that's cool. And as soon as it goes back above 33K and drops back to 72 hours, starts all over again. My Voyager reward code is CIN849. If someone wants to type that in the chat. Here, I'll even change it really quick. Hold on 1 second so you guys can get it. Give me 1 sec. There you go. Okay, I got 6 people. Thank you. Okay, here we go. These are some good questions on my other live stream. So I appreciate it. If you guys don't mind, come on my YouTube live stream. Just give me a thumbs up and you can come back to TikTok. But this way, if I ever get shadow banned, I have a way to collaborate with you guys. Do you have a schedule you follow for live? I always go morning when the stock market opens. So usually like, I don't know, 30 minutes after the stock market opens. So like 7 o'clock California time, 10 o'clock Eastern. Let me go. You should collaborate with Meet Kevin. He's way too famous, dude. I actually messaged Meet Kevin on Twitter and he never responded to me. So he's too famous for me. But if you guys help me get to 10,000 followers on YouTube, maybe I can actually collaborate with Meet Kevin. What stocks? Yeah, there we go. Coinbase, Airbnb, Disney, I think is a good stock, man. I think Disney, especially under 170, that's a great stock, easy money. Boeing, if the price goes down. I like casino stocks, DraftKings, Penn Gaming. All right, and I appreciate you guys coming on my YouTube. Give me a thumbs up on my YouTube when you come. Okay, I appreciate Andrew Evans, Ryan Howell, and Alex for coming on my YouTube. And just remember to give me a thumbs up on the YouTube live stream. That helps promote the thing. Buy AMC. Check Callaway for golf stocks. Okay. How can we share this? I don't know how to share it on YouTube, but I just want the thumbs up. I just need you guys to come on YouTube, give me the thumbs up, and then you can come back on TikTok. Do you think crypto will take a big dip? Probably. What are your thoughts on crypto taking another dip, Party Finance?
The weekly looks really, really strong. So I'm playing the weekly balance right now, but we'll see what happens. This week and next week are going to be pretty important, I say.
Okay.
So,
We got some good questions here. I appreciate these questions. What do you think about peer-to-peer lending? I don't know if it's a good idea because you can get 9% on Voyager, like 10% on BlockFi. So why deal with the peer-to-peer lending when you can just do the stable coins? So I think stable coins are a better alternative because it's liquid. You can pull your money out of the stable coins whenever you want. You don't have to deal with like the peer-to-peer lending. They lock up your money for a while. How do you payments when you say you don't take profits? There's no payments on the loan, man. I'm telling you right now, the best way for you to learn how a margin loan works is go do it yourself. It's not going to make sense, but there's no payments on a margin loan. It doesn't hurt your credit. Hey, I got 7 people on my live stream, so thank you for coming on my YouTube live stream. Just remember to give me a thumbs up on YouTube. How do you approach your trading of crypto? I think that's a good question for Party Finance. I don't really trade. I just buy and hold.
so I have a couple of different strategies. So like one, I have like a bot that my bot does. It's like arbitrage basically. So like some exchanges could be like a 1 or 2%. Like the price could be like a little different. So my bot quickly sends Bitcoin as fast as possible to the other exchange to like make like a quick scalp, right? So that's one way. And the other way is like I have a bunch of like algorithms and software that I use for like good entries and exits. So that's kind of what I use on a day to day.
When do you think Bitcoin will go over 64,000 again? It's kind of obvious how much the market manipulation is playing out.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I mean, it's running up right now. It's at 37,000, 37,100. So it's going up.
LOL, can you elaborate on your question? How could that even work out when Bitcoin transfers are so slow? Are you talking about the margin loans?
No, like the arbitrage. It depends. Like that's what I'm saying. Like you got to be as fast as possible. So you it's got to be fast. Also, there's other coins out there that have like a margin. Like Litecoin and Ethereum, they're pretty quick. There's some other alts that are pretty quick.
So yeah, I don't have any algorithms. People are asking about how I do it. Dude, I literally just dollar cost average my Bitcoin and my Ethereum. I just buy it and I don't sell it. Because remember, there's a lot of fees when you're trading. So if you can sit on it, hey, it's Elon from TikTok. Thank you for coming on my YouTube. I appreciate the people that come on my YouTube. Just come on really quick. Give me a thumbs up. You can come back to TikTok. Just that way you have, if I do get banned. This is a good question. Why do you think the El Salvador did Bitcoin and not Litecoin or other coins? You want to answer this one, Party Finance?
I don't know. I think it's like they'll probably take more, but Bitcoin's like the main one. So
yeah.
Obviously,
Bitcoin's the safest network too. It's proof of work makes it the hardest to hack. So all these other coins, if these coins go up in value a lot, especially the proof of staking ones, there's a higher and higher possibility someone will actually spend a lot of money to hack them. Bitcoin, you're going to need like billions, not billions. You might even need $1 trillion to hack it. So it makes sense that if most people, and this is why banks only lend on Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I don't think you can get any other loans. Maybe a loan on Litecoin, but I don't even think you can get a loan on Litecoin. Banks like to only lend on solid assets. So that's why if you guys want to go look at BlockFi and any other sites that do crypto loans, you'll realize they don't do loans. Okay, Celsius does Litecoin. Thank you. So I guess, okay, so Litecoin, you can do a loan on it. I don't know about XRP. You guys can do your research, but these are all solid coins. That's why Litecoin is a solid investment. If a major exchange is willing to do a loan on that crypto, that should prove to you it's a solid crypto. And maybe in the future they'll do loans on Dogecoin, and then that means Dogecoin is now like more of a like a legit crypto. Hey, Ratio, can you check Celsius right now? What other coins do they do? This is great information, by the way, guys. This is good stuff, man. This is why I love doing your live streams. Let's do some research, guys. Let's figure out all the cryptos you're able to do a cash loan on. And by the way, Celsius doesn't lend in California. I love their rates. I love Celsius, but I can't get a loan. Right now, the only way I can get a loan is BlockFi. And if any of you guys can figure out how to get a loan outside of BlockFi, let me know. I will be very happy. All right, dude, there's 31 of you guys in my TikTok live stream. Come on to my YouTube. Just give me a thumbs up. You can come back. But I get banned all the time. You got banned once too, right, Party Finance?
Yeah, like twice, and then I came back. So
it's BlockFi with a B. Here, you can see it right here, right there, BlockFi. By the way, Interactive Brokers is going to have crypto, guys. See, I predicted this, guys. I told you that Interactive Brokers is by far the best brokerage, and now you can even get crypto on Interactive Brokers, and I have a feeling that it'll be the best price. I think that Interactive Brokers will let you buy crypto for no fees, and you're going to be able to I think hands down Interactive Brokers will be the best exchange, and if you're smart enough to get on Interactive Brokers, you'll thank me later. Yeah, I don't know about the stock, though. I just like the exchange. I'm going to buy the stock because I think it's way better than like all the other brokerages, especially since I can borrow under 1%. I have properties in Vegas. So I invested in real estate in Dallas and Vegas. Example of Interactive Brokers. Hey, Party Finance, can you get an Interactive Brokers account because you have like the setup to be able to show it? And then that way people can see it. One. Would you be willing?
Yeah, I'll bring it up right now.
Yeah, here we go. Party Finance is going to show you guys Interactive Brokers. I don't sell merch, guys. I don't sell merch, but what I'll do is if one of my followers wants to sell merch and create a website, I'll promote you. So if one of you guys wants to make money off of me, I will promote your merch. I'll help you make money off me. I don't need to make money off merch. So if you guys want to make a YOLO Bitcoin merch, I'll promote it for you, and you can keep the profits. Have you heard of Aave? I've never heard of Aave. Have you? You can borrow money?
Yeah, it's a DeFi platform.
Okay, sorry. So people are asking me questions on YouTube. I got to answer this. Would you open a Voyager account for crypto and then stick with Interactive Brokers when they start having crypto? Yeah, because I don't think Interactive Brokers will pay you 9% on the US dollar. If Interactive Brokers pays me 9%, then there's no reason for me to have a Voyager, but I still want to have it all. I have a crypto merch store. Okay, hey, follow me, and let's collaborate, and then maybe we'll make some like YOLO Bitcoin merch, and I'll promote it for you. So that way other people can buy it. Have I borrowed from E-Trade? No, but I know it's more than 5% to borrow on E-Trade. You don't want to get into debt unless it's under 3%. I never ever get into debt unless it's under 3%. Are you bringing, is Party Finance bringing up Interactive Brokers?
Yeah, so this is kind of what it is.
Cool.
It's like their software, so 1 second.
How does Aave work? I don't even know. I've never used it. So if you guys use Aave and you want to invite me, I'll mess around with it. All right, my goal is to get 10 people on my YouTube live stream, and I have 7 likes. Let's try to get 10 likes on my YouTube live stream. So if you have a YouTube, come on over here and give me a like. And if you have any questions on YouTube, I'll answer it first. I'm holding Aave. Cool. Steven, can you talk more about Aave and explain to us what Aave is? Because I'm going to learn from you. Today I'm the beginner. Hey, thank you for the presents. That's really nice of you. All right, now I have to promote your merch store. What's the minimum trade on Interactive Brokers? Like $1? They do fractional shares. What's up? Hey, if you're a true fan, come on my YouTube channel. If you're following me right now on TikTok, please come on my YouTube channel. You just YouTube Sina Dean. I'll come up on YouTube. And just give me a like and come back on here. But if I ever get banned, Dude, Party Finance got banned for showing a Tesla flamethrower.
Yeah.
So if you want to watch someone that day trades crypto, you got to watch Party Finance. I don't day trade, unfortunately, but I watch Party Finance and I learn. Do you like selling covered calls? No, because remember, Interactive Brokers has the passive stock yield program. So hypothetically, I have 200 grand on Interactive Brokers. So they pay me 4.5%, which is they pay me, what is that, 9 grand? I get paid 9 grand? Yeah, 9 grand a year. Interactive Brokers pays me 9 grand to just leave my stocks there and not do covered calls. There's no minimum, guys. Go get a paper account. If you guys want, just get a paper account and it gives you like $1 million for free to trade on. But there's no minimum to open up Interactive Brokers. Okay, this is a good comment. Covered calls are great for stocks that are running up. Cool. Hey, by the way, we're gonna do a four-way Skype call with me, you. I need to get your phone number, Stock Market Daddy. I don't think I have your number, but it's gonna be the three of us in either Nerd Finance or Ryan Finance. Or I don't even mind doing a three-way Skype. But I'm gonna produce some stuff on my YouTube channel where like the 4 or 5 of us talk. So you can't do both at the same time. You can, your yield goes down. You can do covered calls, your yield will just go down. So let's just say you do, like, let's just say you have 100 grand and then 20 grand you're going to use for call options. They'll just pay you 4.5% on your 80 grand. That would go against my DNA. Can you elaborate? Hey, so I got 9 people on my YouTube live stream. If you haven't been on my YouTube live stream, come check it out. Sina Dean, just give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment too in the YouTube live stream so I know you came over here and I'll give you a shout out. I've gotten banned like 7 times from live streaming on TikTok. I've never gotten banned on YouTube. So this is just a way for me to have another way to go live. And then I guess on our YouTube, we're going to do the 4-way call. Like if you want to see me talk to like 4 or 5 people on TikTok at the same time, it's going to be on my YouTube channel. So you might as well come, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Oh, we got 11 people now on my YouTube. That's cool. Thank you guys.
Nice.
All right. Let me see what else. What's my passive income right now? 6 figures. I have over 6 figures of passive income. It's mostly from rent. So I do collect over. That's the name, Interactive Brokers. You got it. Yeah. And you can click on my profile link. I even have the referral right here. But if you click on my link tree on my TikTok profile, I have referrals. And so like they'll give you $250 for free for signing up. Every one of these, they all have referrals that you can take advantage of. And if you have a platform that you like and you want me to try it out, give me your referral code. I'll sign up so you can make money off me. That's amazing. 6 figures. Yeah. Yeah. But I started, okay, let's go down this rabbit hole. How much do you collect in passive income off of rent? What do you get, Party Finance, right now?
It's like 146,000 a year on my properties.
You're way ahead of me, man. So I started in 2010 and I didn't break 6 figures until, I don't know, 2013 or 14. It took me a while. So good for you, man.
Yeah, I like real estate because you can there's a lot you can do with it tax wise. So.
Yeah, a lot of tax benefits. And hey, I want to invest in your real estate deals. I'm willing to do real estate investments in America. So if you want to do a real estate deal and you want to pitch to me or Party Finance, or maybe we do it together, start showing me deals. Come on my YouTube. I'm going to make that a requirement. Come on my YouTube. Leave some comments or let me know. But I actually want to do some real estate deals outside of California. Like I like Ohio. If anyone wants to invest near Columbus, Ohio. I don't know about Canada. I don't know if I can do Canada. I can give you advice, but I don't know if I could do Canada. But I do actually want Canadian citizenship, so maybe I'll change my mind. All right, guys, I got 9 likes on my YouTube channel. I know one of you 30, come on my YouTube channel and give me a like so I have 10 likes on my YouTube live stream. Are you looking for multifamily? I'd rather do houses, guys. I would rather do an investment where you can qualify for an FHA loan. Do you guys know what FHA loans are? So what I would rather do is you find a house, you qualify for an FHA loan, which is 3.5% down, and then we house hack the house. So I'd rather do like a single family house, and then if it works out, we scale to bigger properties. Because like I would rather do a small deal, and that's why I kind of want to do a house that's like 200 grand most. Yeah, you have to live in the FHA. You have to live in the FHA, guys. I lived in all of my FHA properties. I bought a bunch of properties with FHA loans that I lived in. You can do multifamily. It's just it's more money. I'm trying to keep this deal. I'm trying to keep this deal under 200 grand. I mean, I could even go up to 500,000. But I mean, think about it. That's 15 grand down payment, and then usually you're gonna want like 10 to 20 to 30 grand to rehab the property. So the cheaper the property, the better, and then the more money we have left over to rehab it. My first was FHA, let them know. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, everyone here can qualify for an FHA loan, and it's really easy to qualify for an FHA loan if you're trying to buy a property under like 300 grand. You know what I mean? I want to do like a cheap real estate deal with you. And then that way I can kind of show you the ropes of how to get started, and then we kind of scale it up, and we'll make TikToks on it and stuff. We'll put it on my YouTube channel. Hey, I got 12 likes on my YouTube channel. So thank you everyone that's on my YouTube channel. Yeah, and make sure if you want, leave comments on the YouTube. I'll respond to the comments on the YouTube channel too. Yeah, yeah, you can do FHA loans actually up to 700 grand. You're right. Yeah, to be honest, this is a good community. Everyone in this live stream, that you guys all have the same mindset. Like you guys are all gonna probably be future millionaires if you don't get addicted to gambling or hookers. Yes, that's true, but that's why we're gonna buy a beater. We're not gonna buy a nice house. We're gonna buy a beater and we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna add value. Have you guys followed Meet Kevin? It's called like wedge deals. We're not buying like a brand new construction house. We're gonna buy like a beat up property that normally needs like 20, 30 grand of rehab, but you can still get FHA loans on those. I will teach you the way. The best way for me to teach you is you bring deals on my live stream. And how do we do that? I think on YouTube, you can copy and paste links on the Zillow, and then I can access it from my phone. Or I think you can just put in the address in the live stream chat, and then I'll pull it up and look at it. FHAK. Yeah, there are like construction loans, but I'd rather just do the normal FHA loan, and then for construction, I'll probably bankroll that. Like I'm gonna want you to obviously pay for the down payment, but then I'll probably bankroll the construction. And let's just say whatever your down payment is, I'll double or triple your down payment for fixing up and rehabbing the property. Or I mean, obviously we can split it. We can figure it out. Have you done the FHA loan, Party Finance?
No, I haven't.
Okay. By the way, thank you everyone that came on my YouTube channel. I got 14 likes on my YouTube, so I appreciate that. And then if you can, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. But yeah, subscribe, like, and then you can come back on TikTok because I know you guys all want to look at Party Finances. But what we're probably gonna do is I'll make YouTube videos. What I'm gonna do is you give me like a property, and we're probably gonna do a Skype, and then through the Skype, I think I can like provide more information, and we can talk more about the property. There you go, 203K loan. Yeah, it's a construction loan. So we can look into that. I have lenders we can talk to figure this out. But the main thing is look in your area now. Like start looking at real estate. Even if we don't buy a real estate deal like this year because everything's overpriced, let's look at deals and let's talk about real estate deals. Just so like my live stream isn't like 100% crypto and stocks. So, but we should talk about your condo deal if you guys are interested.
Yeah, so there's 2 condos in this. It's like a 22-story building. It's a studio, so it's like 430 square feet. So one of them, it's on the 17th floor. They're asking 105. I went in at 80 cash. So they countered at like 100. So I countered back at like 90. So we'll see what happens. And then the other one is on the 10th floor. They wanted like 107. I countered at like cash offer at like, I think that one for 90. They didn't have too much work to be done. But I basically got the kitchen and then just added a bathroom. So not too much work. And it's pretty small, so.
Okay, let me answer some of these questions. I totally messed up, guys. I didn't read my YouTube chat questions. So this one's pretty famous. Hookers are a lot less expensive than marriage and divorce. He's actually right. The only problems I've had with FHA loans here is the house that wasn't ready to move in would get denied. I ended up buying my first house outside of the FHA loan. Yeah, that's why you got to find beaters. And sometimes we have to move outside of hot markets. Like you can't do Austin, right? We would probably have to move to like a janky area in San Antonio, right? And find like a janky
Waco.
Yeah, like Waco. Like we're going to go somewhere that's not as hot, but you know, it's your first property, you know? What do you do to keep yourself from getting wrecked? What do you do to keep yourself getting wrecked from capital gains tax? You never sell. You get loans on your assets. Buy XRP.
Diversify. Keep investing.
How did I start in real estate? Literally, I started talking to smart people. So like everyone here, if you're listening to me in Party Finance, you're getting started in real estate. You know, we're going to talk about deals. We're going to help you guys all get started in real estate. Okay, so I think I went over all the YouTube comments, and don't you have to pay high maintenance fees for condos? Yeah, that's true, but sometimes you don't have to worry. Annie's here. Annie just got here. But the thing with the maintenance fees is you don't have to worry about like, you know, like your roof being broken. Like there's less risk with a condo because they take care of a lot of the maintenance. So it's like long term.
Also,
go for it.
So the place where I'm getting the HOA, like everything's all included. It's like power, internet, everything, water.
And what does it cost?
Bill, so.
What's the monthly HOA?
Like $350 a month.
Yeah,
like,
so
everything.
$350 is not that bad. And to be honest, that's why I said let's find a house, because you are going to make more money and more cash flow over a house. But sometimes if you find a really good deal on a condo, and like he's buying a condo in like the best area of Houston, right? Like one of the best areas to live. Yeah, exactly. So you're not going to be able to get a house. So it does make sense sometimes to do a condo, but bring us deals. If you bring us deals, we'll look at them on the live stream and we'll talk about it. And we'll be like, okay, this is good. This is bad. And guess what? You'll learn. Looking at deals is the easiest way to learn. Your live streams are #1 on TikTok. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. And if you guys don't mind, if you like the live streams, come on my YouTube, give me a thumbs up. I only got 14 likes on my YouTube, and there's 27 of you guys on my TikTok live stream. And I promise to answer the questions on YouTube as well. What's up, the guy Duet Nice from the TikTok merch store? What's up? They want to know what part of Houston you're living in. Downtown, right?
No, I'm on the southwest.
Southwest side. What's up, Pierre Woods? Pierre, I know Pierre came on my YouTube and gave me a thumbs up. Pierre, if you don't mind, come on my YouTube, give me a thumbs up. I need to do a double live with Pierre again. I haven't talked to him in a while. Dude, yeah, thank you. Dude, Pierre's got a lot of good stuff too. He like forwards me other people's content. So I do have to give you a shout out, man. I do appreciate you sharing, like giving me dimes. Pierre finds really good stuff on TikTok. Give him a follow, by the way. If you guys haven't followed Pierre, his live streams are pretty cool too. Do I only buy real estate in the West Coast? No, I don't. I bought in Texas, in Dallas, and I bought in Vegas. I guess Vegas is West Coast. Dude, I want to do Miami, dude. I'm trying to find people in Florida. I would love to do a real estate deal. Dude, thank you for all the presents, man. That's really nice of you. Thank you very much. But yeah, if you guys are bored, check out my TikTok. Can you pull up your interactive brokers so you can show everyone?
Yeah.
Dude, I would do Minnesota. In fact, one of my real estate investors wants to do a property in Minnesota. So one of my biggest investors, he wants to buy property in Minnesota. So if you got deals, let us know. Minnesota's a great market. What is the most recommended video on your channel? I don't know what's the most recommended video on my channel, but I do recommend, I think I posted on my YouTube, other YouTube people I recommend. Cause like that's really, oh dude, I love Indianapolis. I would love to do Indianapolis. I'm from there, dude. I grew up in Indianapolis. I've heard really good things about Indianapolis. Massachusetts, that's expensive. I mean, if you're farther away from Boston, yeah. But I feel like, Massachusetts would be expensive. Dude, I love mobile home parks. That's originally how I got into real estate. I was a broker for mobile home parks. Thank you for the thumb. Dude, I got 17 thumbs up. You guys really pumped this one. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. But yeah, I would love to do a mobile home park, but that's like, once we build up this following and we got like maybe 4 or 5 real estate investors we're working with, then maybe we start like a fund and we do mobile home parks. But yeah, mobile home parks are great investments. And I'm from the country, man. So, huge upside to mobile home investing. Huge. I'll give you guys a story right now. So, there's a very expensive hotel in Laguna Beach. If you guys want to Google it, it's called The Montage. Thank you. I appreciate that. He already liked all my videos on YouTube and subscribed.
My wish crushed.
Okay, I sold it. I sold my wish. Annie held on to it.
Why do you have 2?
Because I'm on YouTube. Go on my YouTube. Go on my YouTube live stream. Give me a thumbs up. I'm on YouTube. Say hi. We got Annie on YouTube. We got the dictator.
Hi.
We got the Chinese dictator.
I like this one better.
Yeah, it's higher quality. So what was I gonna tell you guys? There was something else I was gonna talk about. Just mobile homes, man. So the story with the mobile homes. So my first boss that I worked in real estate, him and his partners bought a mobile home in Laguna Beach for less. It was like less than $1 million. I think they paid like 900. So they paid 900 grand for this mobile home park. They cash flowed it. They told me they collected, I don't know, more than basically $1 million of rent. And then they sold it for $25 million and they built a hotel on his mobile home park.
Wow.
But can you imagine? And they didn't even put the entire money down. I think they invested like 20%. So they invested like 200 grand or 180 grand. And that investment turned into $25 million and like $2-3 million of rent.
You're at 20 likes. What's going on? I got 2 likes.
Because you got to keep bothering people to go to your... And then what stinks is when I YouTube Party Finance, you don't come up. But when you YouTube Sina Dean, I obviously come up. Okay, there was another good question. I'm sorry to ask this one. How do you take the 6K and stake for 9%? Can you do that one time? Can you show how you pull cash out of your Interact? It's like you pull cash out of your Interactive brokers, it goes to your bank account, and then you transfer from your bank account to either Blockify or Voyager. But see, I don't know if people are going to show you this because it's like sensitive information. Like I don't feel comfortable showing it to you. I don't
have margin yet on the Interactive broker, so I can't do it right now.
Okay, when he turns on his margin account, I'm sure he'll show it to you. You got to make some of these videos on your YouTube, and then I'll just have to, I don't know. I'll promote your YouTube videos because for me, I don't have the setup that he has, so he can show it to you a lot easier on how to do it. And you have a Voyager account, right?
Yeah.
I got $80. What should I put it on? You should put $100 into Voyager and get $25 of free Bitcoin, and then learn how to get the 9%. If you can't do Voyager, check out Blockify. If you can't do Blockify, check out Interactive Brokers. All right, I appreciate the content. Let me check my YouTube. 2 thumbs up. I appreciate it. Yeah, I got 19 likes on my YouTube. If you guys don't mind, one more person give me a like on my YouTube, and I have 20 likes on my YouTube live stream. That's the goal. My real goal is to get to 30 likes, but I first got to trick you guys into getting me to 20. We got 19 likes, and you get a higher quality. If you want to see the dictator in higher quality, we got her on my YouTube. I should have Annie film me. There we go. Come check out the YouTube. You can see the dictator in high quality. You can't see the dictator in high quality. If you want to see the dictator in high quality, we got her on YouTube. That's how I'm going to convince you guys to come on my YouTube. I have over 2K. Do I recommend I apply for the margin account? Yeah, but be careful because you're going to be paying more interest. I would start moving your money to interactive brokers. Yeah, it's a high interest rate. Yeah, just in the future. The main thing is I'm glad you guys have discovered me because you guys are probably all like young investors and you only have $2,000, but eventually you're going to have $10,000. And the main thing is don't put any more money into Webull. If Webull drops their loan rate to like 2%, then you can put money into Webull. But for now, Webull has high interest rates. So you want to use, it's interest only. You want to use interactive brokers. Yeah, don't sell. Don't sell your stocks. Just leave it on Webull. If you really have to borrow, you can borrow on Webull. But if you get chances, like if you get negative, like let's just say you have red stocks, it's called tax loss harvesting. So let's say on your Webull, you have 2 stocks that you lost money on. I would sell those and then go buy back in interactive brokers. But if you have gains on Webull, just leave your gains on Webull. You don't have to pay anything. What they do is they just keep adding your interest to the debt. So let's just say I borrowed $100 and let's just say my interest is $1, right? So my next month I owe $101. The next month I owe $102. They just keep adding the interest to your balance. But remember, you don't have to worry about that balance unless you go over like 75%. So like it's really hard to get a margin call, guys, unless you're buying crap stocks. Yeah, there you go. Nexio has a good interest rate. Do you have a referral? If you can add me and DM me a referral for Nexio, I'll sign up with your referral link. Yeah, see, you're kind of getting ripped off. You dropped 4.5 grand to Bittrex. I wouldn't use Bittrex anymore, man. What you should do is instead of buying, if you're going to buy the US dollar coin, because you have to pay fees to transfer it. You know, why pay fees when you can just go on Voyager and you just buy it and there's no fees? I just got my free stocks on Webull. I'm going to have Evan borrow. Hey, Evan, can you explain to people when people ask how to borrow, give them like the short version, and then we're going to have to make a YouTube video, Party Finance, and you're going to have to send it to me so I can post it on my YouTube as well. We have to make
Yeah. Got to.
What referral code did you send me? Is that Nexio? Yeah, we're going to make a YouTube. I'm sorry that I don't... Oh, here we go. We got people asking me. We're going to make a YouTube video that shows everything. I'm going to have Party Finance make it, and then he'll hopefully send me a copy on WhatsApp. I think you can WhatsApp me the video, and then I'll post it on my YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. 2 thumbs up. Stash. What is Stash?
You fixed your phone?
No, I haven't fixed my phone. It's still broken. What video do you suggest people watch on Interactive Brokers? Do you record this live? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, so we're going to make a YouTube video. To be honest, I'm sorry we haven't done this, but Party Finance, what is Stash?
What? Visa card on
Okay.
Investing made easy. Start with $5.
Hey, can you tell Party I bought $30 worth of X2P? Hopefully it's a good one. YouTube on LP.
It's going up right now. XCP's going up. I'm watching the charts.
If you use Coinbase for crypto, you should consider moving to Voyager or Blockify so you don't pay fees and you can get interest. So if you get $2,000 on an investment account, Stash is better for long term. Can you guys elaborate? Why is Stash better for long term? 400,000 of Ethereum. Stash is an investment app. Ooh, okay. Can you guys explain more about Stash? By the way, I got my 20 likes on my YouTube. If you guys are new here and you don't mind, come on my YouTube channel. You just YouTube Sina Dean. Just give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 30 thumbs up on my YouTube channel. So please, if you haven't done it, so come on my YouTube, give me a thumbs up, and you can come back. Oh, I got one. I now have 21. So how does Stash work? What do? You just use a credit card and they put in money? You're staking on Hydra where trades aren't live? So I don't understand. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, but you know what, dude? They do the investing for you. You don't want to do that. Stash is
It's
not
not a
a
scam.
it's not a scam. It's like what's it called? It's for people that are not going on TikTok and watching like videos. If you guys actually have any interest in investing, you don't give your money to other people. The only time you give your money to other people is an ETF. The problem is they do the investing, so they charge you a fee. And that's fine if you're like an old boomer and you don't want to learn about investing, then go use Stash. But if you're already following me and Party Finance on TikTok and YouTube, you're most likely going to become like a savvy investor, and you don't need to give them your money because they're going to charge you a management fee. Hydra is close to 10%. Dude, if you're going to get 10% on Hydra, why don't you just get 9% on the dollar? Don't do the smart portfolio. It's a scam. I wouldn't do it, dude. You guys, everyone here, get an Interactive Brokers, man. Stash doesn't let you borrow at 1% interest. Interactive Broker does. If you want to become wealthy, you're going to want to Interactive Brokers. Party Finance realized that Interactive Brokers is really good. He's anyone that I recommend Interactive Brokers that knows like they're investing, like they have portfolios over 100K. They immediately
Why
like
do you
use
change
it.
your picture?
Laser eyes. And he's mad because I did a laser eyes and she's not in it. We have to do a profile picture where you have laser eyes too.
Okay, I want you change your picture.
Hey, we got 22 likes on my YouTube live stream, so we need 8 more people. 8 more people. Come on my YouTube, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and then how do they find you on YouTube? Is there like, you got to make a video, like a random video, so you can come up on the search engine?
It's Party Finance, one word. If you type that in, you should find it.
So if Party Finance, one word, it'll come up on YouTube?
It should come up, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Double check.
So how much of a loan will 2K input get you? I don't. Oh, are you talking about Interactive Brokers?
Yeah, it pops up.
Yeah, Interactive Brokers is adding it. So if you YouTube Party Finance, it comes up? One word? Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
So add both of us.
Also, link in bio. Set the link in bio.
And so if anyone is asking on how to do the arbitrage where you borrow at 1% for Interactive Brokers and then you get 9% on Voyager, Party Finance will make a video. So subscribe to his YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to mine because I'm going to put it on mine as well. But it'll be on his YouTube channel. And so hopefully that will like show you guys how to do it. But I'm telling you right now, get an Interactive Brokers. Even if you don't have any money, just get an account and have $0 in it. And then get yourself a Voyager or a Blockify. And then if we don't make a good video, it would be really cool if one of you guys makes a video too, you know? Maybe you can make a better video that explains better for newbies once you guys learn. So, all right, I got 22 likes on my YouTube channel. Come on, 8 people. We need 8 people. So I can put 20K into VO. Yeah, yep, exactly. This is a great comment. I can put in 20 grand into VOO, Airbnb, Coinbase, and then pull out 10 grand the same day. Yes, correct. Party Finance on YouTube. His link is on his bio too. You can click on his TikTok profile link, and it's in his bio as well too. All right, one of you guys come on my YouTube live stream and give me a thumbs up. I've been sitting at 22 likes. I'm gonna keep bothering you guys until I get to 30, and then I'm gonna end my live stream on YouTube. I'm here for the 2000 course. We don't sell courses. We're going to just make a video for free. Yeah, it's Party Finance on YouTube. But honest to God, if you can't find him, just click on his... My YouTube is Sina Dean.
Yeah.
If you want my YouTube, just search Sina Dean, or you can click on my profile link tree and I have a link to my YouTube. There we go. Oh, I got 23. Someone gave me a like. So now I need 7 people. We're down to 7 people. 7 people. That's my goal. 30 likes for my YouTube live stream, and then I end it. If you want to see a high-quality picture of the dictator, it's on YouTube. No, it's 23 likes right now. I have 23. I don't have 24. But maybe it's like delayed. Oh, I got 25 likes. 25 likes. Where is the link? Just go to YouTube and YouTube Sina Dean. Sina Dean Bitcoin. I for sure come up if you do Sina Dean Bitcoin. We got 26, so 4 more likes, guys. 4 more of you guys. Give me a like, and then I can end this stupid live stream. What are you laughing at?
No, I'm just laughing at the whole YouTube thing. It's not funny.
Thank you, Cherry. Thank you for the like on YouTube. We're at 26. If you want to see the dictator, 27. We're at 27.
Why do they want to see me?
Because everyone loves the Chinese dictator.
Why?
It popped up Sina Dean on YouTube. Dope. That's dope, man. Hey, I'm telling you, if I can get to like 10,000 subscribers, maybe Meet Kevin will interview me. That's my goal. Do you think Bitcoin's going to keep going up? Yes, long term, if you can hold Bitcoin. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome back on the live stream. We're trying to get 4 more likes on my YouTube. I need 4 more likes, and then you know, I'll end the YouTube live stream and I'll stop pestering you guys.
Link in bio for my YouTube.
This is a good one. How do I convince my conservative wife that a savings account is losing money? You don't. What you need to do is get a Voyager and start with $100. Okay, if your wife is conservative, she's gonna freak out if it's more than $100. Go on Voyager, go on Blockify, put in $100, collect your 8%. They pay you monthly, and then slowly increase your balance. And then your conservative wife will be okay with you, you know, not leaving money in a savings account. Okay, we got 27 likes, guys. 3 more likes for this YouTube live stream. We can do this, guys. Some poor guy's going to come in on TikTok and he's going to be like, all right, this guy keeps asking for the likes. Hide the money from your wife. Problem solved. What would you do, Annie? Annie, what would you do if I hid money from you?
You always hide money from me.
Don't hide money from a Chinese wife. They will find it. They're very good. Oh, I got 28. 28.
Why do you want to get 13 likes?
Because my goal is I want to talk to Meet Kevin. I like Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin doesn't respond to my Twitter. Oh, by the way, if you guys have a Twitter, you can find me. I'm Dean Cena on Twitter. But yeah, Meet Kevin didn't respond to me, so I'll tweet him, I'll YouTube him until he responds. We're at 28, guys. 2 more. 2 more likes on YouTube. We got this, guys, to the moon. If you guys watch Meet Kevin, leave comments and tag my YouTube channel. Tell him that you want to do an interview with me. I just liked all of Party Finance's YouTube videos. He only has 13. Does he have any more?
Nice, thank you.
He's going to post. Party Finance will post those videos of us doing all the arbitrage of borrowing at 1% on interactive brokers and then getting 9% on the savings account on Voyager. And then if you guys have other questions, Party Finance and I will create more content on YouTube that's like, you know, hopefully will answer your questions. So this is going to be a good start. Like, you guys come with good questions. We'll create personalized YouTube videos that hopefully like answers your question, or at least, you know, motivates you to emulate us. Okay, guys, one more person, and we're at 30. I have 29 likes on my live stream. And the next time I go live, my goal will be 35. Because the first time I got 21 likes. So if I get 30 on this one.
Where's your live stream?
Sina Dean, there we go, live stream. I think Annie's gonna do it. The dictator's gonna do it for me. Yeah, we're watching each other. The dictator's gonna do it for me. We did it. We got to 30, guys. So I'm gonna end my YouTube live stream unless you guys need it. If you guys don't need it, I'm gonna end this YouTube live stream. You gotta get that away. Okay, guys, thank you for coming on my YouTube live stream. Oh my God, I missed all your things. Answer or I remove my likes. So sorry, guys. Leave your conservative life. So sorry, I didn't see it. So you're saying Voyager is your pick to use as an exchange? No, I wouldn't just use Voyager. Use Blockify and use, what's it called? Celsius. Celsius, Voyager, they're all in my profile link. Celsius, Voyager, Blockify, use all of them. They all have benefits and cons. Think of it as like a fighting style in MMA. The more of these platforms you understand how to use, the better, and they change their rates. Blockify started lowering their interest rates, so I started moving more money into Voyager. Okay, you guys talked about the 9 you attach to a debit card to purchase stocks. Yeah, that's not a good idea. The stash, you should just do your own investing unless you're bad at saving.
Yeah.
Can you record this live? This live is recorded. Okay, so we're going to create those videos for you guys too. And I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to end this YouTube live stream. Just come back on TikTok, guys. I really appreciate the people that came on my YouTube. We're going to create way better YouTube content in the future. We're going to have stuff on YouTube that's like legit, that you're going to be like, wow, this is great. And we're going to do 4-way and maybe 3-way calls with other TikTok creators. So it's like Millennial Money. Have any of you guys watched Millennial Money? Have you, Party Finance? Has anyone here?
Yeah, we should get that set up. Actually, like, set up a date between like all 4 of us or whoever's in it.
Well, if we should do one right now with what's his name? If he's on, he's always on. Stock Market Daddy. We could probably do it with Stock Market Daddy. Okay, I'm ending my YouTube live stream. So thank you very much, guys. I'm gonna end this one. Okay, so I stopped my YouTube live
You want
stream.
to do like Skype or Zoom?